Hello everyone, welcome to suni'scraftistry. Today we'll learn how to make this beautiful flower with the help of organza ribbon. Yes, this is another type of ribbon. I'll show you how it looks. So this is a green color organza ribbon which is around 4 centimeters in width, and this is yellow. So using this beautiful combination, we will learn how to make this beautiful flower easily. The materials required to make this flower are as follows. We need 8.5 centimeter length ribbon, pieces 7, and green color ribbon around 9 centimeters in length. And you will be needing a center stone. You can take anything that is readily available for you. Needle and thread, a felt circle to place it at the base, glue. You can use a hot glue also if you want, and a pair of scissors and lighter. So 7 yellow pieces and 1 green piece is all that we need. So let's begin the process. Seal the ends of the ribbon very carefully because this ribbon easily gets burnt with a lighter. Now fold the ends in the center like this. Bring 2 ends of the ribbon to the center like this, making a triangle. Holding the tip of the triangle and turning around the ribbon like this and bringing the other 2 ends back to the center. So carefully observe, we are bringing the other 2 ends to the center. One end on the other side and the other end on the other side. Like this. We are forming a small diamond. Now what you have to do is hold all the ribbon carefully, and then with the help of a tweezer, let's fold it back again. So when you place the tweezer, place it a little more than the half. Okay, and now slowly bring the other end down and fold it into half. Like that. Okay, so this is how you get it. If you want, kindly please go back and follow it again carefully till you get it correctly. Now cut the extra ends and seal them with the help of a lighter. Be very careful, friends, when you use a lighter, especially with organza ribbon. So this is how a petal looks. We are also sealing in the front so that it doesn't come out. Now I'll show you another petal in fast mode. So watch it. Folding into half like this, making a triangle, turning it around and bringing the other 2 ends back to the center. Holding everything together and placing my tweezer just above half and then moving and folding it as shown. Sealing this end and the other end. Done. So this is how we get the petal. Now I have completed all the other petals for you, and now we'll start sewing them like how I'm doing it. So after I arranged all the 7 petals on the needle, I'm tying it to make into a flower. See, the flower is ready. Now let's learn how to make a leaf. Fold the ribbon into half like this and start cutting it at this folded end, and then with the help of a tweezer, seal this open end. By doing this, you get a beautiful leaf shape. Now see, once you open it, you get a leaf shape like this. Let me do another one. Use the other half of the ribbon, cut it as shown, and then seal the end. It's very easy and very simple. You can take any length you want. You can make it shorter or longer according to your choice. So this is how we do our leaves. Now let's start gluing. Here in this video, I'm not using any glue gun. I'll show you how to do it with the help of a glue, all fixed glue. Simply apply glue and start sticking them. This is also very easy to do if you're scared of using a glue gun. Now I'm applying little glue on the felt circle and placing it in the back of the flower like this. Be a little patient. It is not a hot glue so that it will immediately stick. So you need to have some patience when you use the other glues. With the help of a tweezer, just adjust the petals and now place the center stone. We are done with the flower. See how beautiful it looks. I really enjoyed making this flower. So if you too enjoyed watching, please hit the like button and thank you so much for watching our channel. Stay safe and stay happy.